With Russia continuing to lose a lot of equipment, signs of them needing to dig deeper into their pockets to find equipment to use are becoming more frequent. With this T-90S tank with a mine trawler getting immobilized and abandoned, the tank is the export version meant for other countries, but due to the high losses they need to use whatever they have, and as seen here they can't export this tank anymore. With a hand grenade making sure the tank can't be repaired, destroying another of Russia's T-90 tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.